Alrighty guys, coming to you with another YouTube video. We're out in the garage today. Scenery looks a little different. I'm going to show you some stuff. You guys might have saw a video about fluid filming. So yesterday was Saturday. We got 3 vehicles fluid filmed. And if you're interested in that stuff, go check out that video. That's about all I say. But because we had everything out of the shop, we did some reorganizing. And my dad's going to store his boat in here for the winter, similar to last winter. So I had to make some room for that. So give you a little tour and show you what we're going to be working on today. Alrighty, so we're in the garage. Got some open space. This differential can get rolled out pretty easy. The boat's going to go generally in here. So I'm going to have to do something with my skis. Generally, I put them on stands and take the trailer and put the trailer outside of my house. I just haven't taken these off the trailer yet because they need to be washed, and I should have done that a long time ago. Got my priorities wrong. We have a truck in here, of course. You saw, got some of the spare parts in the bed, put on the ratty tailgate from the old regular cab, and starting to clean up this area in here. Got to work before I did this intro with my buddy Brandon. He helped me put the fenders on and a couple other things, so I'll show you that in a second. We no longer have the bench on the driver's side of the lift. We're working with it all here now. So it was a good excuse to get the bench all cleaned up and get everything off of it and get it out of the shop. But this is kind of the working corner now. You can see I'm already hard at work with pins and pinning things. So yeah, that's what the shop looks like now. So today, got the fenders on, and then I started to look at the wiring for the truck and just doing an inspection on all the connectors and making sure all the wires are going to land the way that I want them to. We had one, this red one, that was not in its proper home. It got pulled out of its connection, so made a new connection for that, and it looks like we're all sitting good there. It's this one right here, so hopefully it makes a good connection now. So I'm going to go through those wires a little bit more and probably start working on mounting the fuse block. So yeah, catch up with you guys in a little bit when we get some more work done.
I thought we could be here forever. Now it seems that we're lost in a memory. 'Cause I've been waiting for excuses. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this. Waves of crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down, yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing.
I look for answers, I ain't finding loads. With me and you know I gave it all my life and soul. We drifted off and still it's left me with these giant holes. Nothing to fill the gap and all I feel is highs and lows. I pour a drink and sit and wonder why we rivaled loads. See, I was man enough to leave, you gave the final blows. There's many fish out in the sea, I guess what I suppose. I think it's time I let it go.
Waves come crashing down. Yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down.
Alrighty, well, since I saw you last, been tracking down some wires. Also got the C2 switch in here. No more reorganizing. Everything's looking pretty good. Fenders are on. Did a little cleaning on the inside. It was bothering me just a tickle. start working on the wiring here. So got a couple snags, and when I say snags, probably able to overcome them, but not exactly sure. I have one connector from the truck's wiring harness that nothing plugs into, and I have this guy, well, 3-pronger, and this big guy that has the crossed wires, the green and the blue and the yellow and the blue, that are twined together, and I have nowhere to plug this guy into off the top of my head, so I can't really remember. This guy has 7 wires in it coming out of the cab, and this has 5 going into it, and they're roughly the same color, and judging by the length, I think these two match up, but I need to put a different pigtail on it. I don't know what to do with the 2 extra wires. So I'm gonna have to do a little digging on this. I believe this is an 04 cab. That's an 05 wiring harness. GM did change things from 04 to 05, so that makes sense, but I just need to figure out where I'm plugging stuff into and what it originally did and how I, get the connectors to make it work. So hopefully it's not a huge deal. I'm sure we'll overcome it, but that's where my current snag is right now. So I'm gonna take some photos and do a little research and try and figure this out. So with that being said, this is about where I'm gonna stop it for today. I don't wanna chase wires and just look for hours and hours and try and beat myself to death over it. So clearly I'm got more stuff coming out of the cab than the chassis harness originally intended to, and I need to figure out what that is. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the recent subscriptions. We just crossed 100 subscribers. I'm really stoked about that. For my new people, this thing is pretty dang close to starting. Turn the key here soon, and I'm pretty excited about that. So we're on the home stretch, and I will see you guys next time for another great video. Hopefully we can get this wiring sorted. So until then, enjoy your stuff, go work on your stuff. Peace.